myself Jaya Agarwal, Assistant Professor Political Science, SPCGC Ajmer. This is paper 5th of MA final. Name of the paper is Political Analysis and Research Methodology, and in this video we will talk about utility of political science research. What is the utility of research in our subject, or methods and techniques we should be used in our discipline. So before we start, I welcome you all in my this video, and let's start. Utility of political science research. Development of any discipline depends on the development of methods which are according to the nature of that subject. This is the reason why particular methods are necessary for a particular discipline. This is the perspective where political science is unable to understand its subject matter due to lack of proper methods in this regard. Interdisciplinary approach can contribute but only to some extent, as methods and techniques borrowed from other disciplines comprises many ideas and norms of that field which cannot be applied here in their actual form due to nature of our subject. Methods and techniques are as important as the goal or aim. Development of any discipline is based on its methodological and sophistication aspects. It is imperative to re-examine and analyze the traditional methods and techniques as per the changing scenario or present nature of our discipline. It is also necessary not to depend on equipments, means, methods, techniques being used in other social sciences. Political science will have to explore and develop its own methods, techniques for the progress and keep pace with development of social sciences, along with keep continue the interdisciplinary approach. It is also imperative to understand the political system thoroughly so that changes can be directed according to the need of the welfare of the people. Unex- uh, Unexpected political incidents may occur which are beyond understanding of the rulers and administrators. Therefore, researchers can provide here many solutions to that problem and can help this discipline develop as master science. So today we have talked about that if any method or technique which is being used in one discipline or in some social sciences, this is not necessary that it will be as useful for political science as for other subjects, because methods and techniques, the nature of methods and techniques depends on the nature of that subject. That's why particular methods, techniques, equipments and scientific methods are necessary to develop all these things according to the nature of political science. So we cannot say that there is something wrong in borrowing some methods and research methodology from other social sciences. Yeah, we should, but we should change according to the scenario, according to the circumstances, and according to the nature of political science itself. That's all for today from my side. Thank you very much.